Hey everybody, so I am back with another trunk club video. You might have thought, well, I just saw one from you, and that's because I haven't been filming in like a month. But I have my trunk, I need to send it back tomorrow. So I figured I'd go through it with you all, try on some stuff, make some decisions. This time my trunk is a little bit light on clothes, heavy on accessories, so I wanted to go over all with you. And just so you know, I do have a code. Anyone gets a code who's part of Trunk Club. It's a referral code. And if you use it, you get $50 to put towards your own trunk. And I also get a credit if you decide to purchase some items. So it gives you a chance to try out the service. You can even snag an item or two with that $50. And then you can also decide if you want to go further than that and have more trunks. So what I've heard is that they used to get you access to my stylist, Danielle. And a lot of you liked working with her. I like working with her. Been working with her for over a year now. But I think she's all booked up, guys, so it's going to give you some other stylists. I'm sure they're great. Trunk Club has chat and all kinds of things. You can really communicate with your stylist, which I appreciate. So Danielle warned me that the plus size inventory was not the best for like my style right now. So she pulled some like comfy stuff for me, and I had asked for like loungewear, and then I also wanted some accessories. So that's what she mostly pulled this time. So if you're wondering why it's this collection, that's why. She also pulled one of these bodysuits for me. I told her I wanted the other color as well, so I could try on both. So I'm just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna put the prices on the screen because they do change. Sometimes they go on sale, and I know for a fact that a couple of these items are on sale. But let's just get straight on to trying things on. Also, if you're wondering, I am filming in the second bedroom, which is still covered in boxes. So once I fully move in, we'll get this thing sorted. I also don't want to wear jeans. So I'm wearing these comfy pants from ASOS. They may not be your style. That's cool. They're comfy, I'll tell you that much. And I'm trying to think of how I want to try things on. I think I'm going to do the tops first, then try the bottoms, because both the bottoms I thought were stretchy and they're kind of not. So, might not work for me. And then we'll get to the accessories and see how it goes. Okay, so this first item Danielle pulled for me is a bralette, and it's by the brand TOMBOYX. Now, I don't know if Danielle knows this, but I actually am an ambassador for TOMBOYX. So I've been working with them on and off last year, and then this year I'm one of their actual like year-long ambassadors. Now, she had decided to include it because a lot of people have given her positive feedback on this. It is a really cute and comfy bralette. It has ruching on the front. It has cups inside, but they're also removable if you don't like the cup. And I always love the band. The band gives you super duper support. But since I'm a Tomboy ambassador, I have pretty good access to TOMBOYX products. I will try this on for you so you can see it though. I wear a 4X, and in general at TOMBOYX, I wear everything in their 4X, which fits a size 26-28. Okay, so this is a bralette. I'm not gonna lie, the little foam cup inserts are bent and they're not unbending at the moment. I would remove those if I kept it because I don't really care for the little cups. But it's a cute little bralette. I like the coverage underneath the arms. It has adjustable straps. I tend to adjust mine high up. And actually this bralette I feel like runs a little bit big. There's plenty of room here. There's room for a bigger chest. So maybe on this one I go to a 3X just to have a little bit more hold. But very cute, full coverage, good for working out, good for lounging around the house. This one is $40. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try on are these Racerback bodysuits. She originally put this in white for me, and I really want to try the black. I love how high necklined it is. That's perfect for summer for me, and I also like the Racerback. It's not too Racerback. I think you can still pretty much wear a good bra with it. And I've had some luck with LEITH bodysuits in the past. So I'm gonna pop this on, that way we can try out some of the pants. Okay, so here's the LEITH bodysuit. And I will say, because it's racer neck, you can't just like put it on over your hips, right? You're going to use the little buttons that they have in the crotch, which is really hard to attach. So I just have it pulled down. It is pretty stretchy. I'm not sure it's something that is long enough in the torso to hold like the snaps. I'd highly doubt the snaps would hold for me. I think they'd go like this, or plastic snaps. I like the neckline. I like the material. I do worry about this. If I didn't have to pull it down so much, it would cover more. But if I pull it up, then it's definitely not snapping at all. Let me show you the back. So as you can see, the Racerback isn't like super cutting in. I like the cut. It just needs like 6 more inches. And even then I don't know how comfortable it'd be. This is hard because I do like it and I know I could wear it like this, you know, like just tuck it in, but what if it creates like a weird bulge? You know, it's just not doing the things that a bodysuit is meant to do. The material is nice and thick. It's like doubled, so there's no seeing through it. What do you think? I just wish at this point this was like a long tank top and not even trying to be a bodysuit. Okay, since the white one's the same thing, I'm not gonna try it on, but I will show you. This is also double lined, but I do think it's definitely gonna be see-through. I can see through it with the tag and such, so I know it's not gonna hide everything. The white is definitely like a blue white versus a tan white. It's not cream. So $21. I'm guessing it would fit the exact same. Really cute. I just don't know that I can get in it and it would stay clasped. So she gave me a blazer to wear potentially this summer. Not going anywhere anymore, so it feels a little bit sad. All these clothes that could have been worn. This is from the brand Eloquii in a size 26. Now I see people rock a blazer. Not sure that that person is me. It definitely is comfy. It's a nice soft material and you can see it has like that oatmeal. Let's see if it says what fabric this is. It's a long linen and cotton blazer. It's $65.96 on the sheet, but might be cheaper now. Has these cute little buttons and pockets, faux pockets. We're gonna say faux pockets. It is not meant to be closed. It's meant to be worn open. Doesn't have a clasp or anything. And yeah, I mean, I definitely could see it being really cute in an outfit, but I can't wear an outfit out, have nowhere to go. So this is something I can easily pass on, at least right now. Okay, now I asked her for some comfy pants, and I have a feeling these are not gonna work, either pair, because neither of them are like stretchy materials, and it's happened before. The button gut is too much for some of these. So this one is from Eloquii. It's their side stripe jogger pant, and it's in this green with limoncello stripe. Size 28. The waistband is obviously elasticized, but the material itself is non-stretch. So I will attempt, but I don't have good feelings about this one. So I am surprised they are on my body. They're not looking great on my body. I'd be scared to sit. The funny thing is, because this fabric doesn't let any air through, which is interesting for a jogger, when I put it on, did you guys, when you're in elementary school, do that little like parachute thing where you'd get the air in and you're all sitting there? Felt like that. Like as soon as I put air in it, it was like, so like I think air is trapped in my ankle. But let me see if I can get you lower. By the way, this is where this is. So it is a jogger, has that stripe, has a little ankle cuff. Not my thing. Like when I think of comfy exercise clothes, these are not it. They're definitely stylish for some people, but not my jam. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, this pair is from CASLON in a 4X. It's a track style pant? Yeah, track style linen pant. I don't know what track style means. It's $59, but basically it's a linen pant. You know, I might need to just tell her this because I think I've tried a few linen products. Me and linen, we don't get along. Linen doesn't like to move my body, but let's try these on and see how it goes. These ones are also too tight, so now this is becoming, you know, sort of embarrassing looking. Now, listen, again, I'm a very belly heavy, butt heavy 28, and linen is not a friend for a big girl, okay? So, goodbye linen. Okay, so I figured I'd bring you closer to do the accessories. All right, so this first accessory is a hat. This is from the brand Sweaty Betty. It's their Swifie running hat in pink, and it's $30. And I will say, online, this did not look as highlighter-y as it does in person. So you definitely can tell it's like a sports hat. It has one of these little things, which I think is good. Good. All right. Ooh, very comfy. Okay, did not expect to like it. Kind of do like it. I like a hat, guys. I am becoming a hat person. This is very highlighter-y hat. What do you think? To see some of the details up close, has kind of like sports netting that you would see like on swimwear to let, you know, air come in, sweat. It's a very interesting fabric. Well, it's for Sweaty Betty, so it's for airflow. Then this is the tightener. I like how curved the brim is. And this even has like sweat resistant material, like water resistant material. Now, how often will I wear this hat? Don't know. Going to have to think about that depending on if there's any other accessories that I would want. But much cuter than I anticipated just seeing it. Okay, the next thing is jewelry. Some of the stuff I get to pick out. So Trunk Club, you can also pick accessories when you go to check out. Let's see. Oh, no, she picked this. This is an ear cuff. And I believe this one's on sale right now too. Now, I don't typically wear ear cuffs, but she thought it might be like a fun little addition of something new to try out. I'll see what it looks like. I've never, again, worn one, but I do, like, I often tuck my hair here, so maybe it would be cool to have something. Okay, this is from the brand ADINA'S. It's originally $36. I don't know that it's going to be that anymore, because again, I remember seeing that this went on sale. So I'll put that on the screen. My nails aren't done. We're in a quarantine. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. I'm on my phone, guys, so sorry. But gold with multi-strands with little crystals. So I guess you just put it on and it hugs. You can put it there. What do you guys think about these? I don't wear them. I'm not against them. I just haven't worn them. They'd be cute maybe with another earring. I guess you could put it all the way down to however you wanted. Ear's a little too flimsy there. Interested to hear what you guys think. I might be tempted. We'll see what the sale price is. Okay, I do remember now what I picked. I picked 2 pairs of sunglasses and a handbag. So the sunglasses are both by LeSpecs. They're actually the exact same 51mm sunglasses, but I tried it in tortoise and black. They're $65. So unless they like literally make my face look like magic, I'm likely not going to keep them, but I did want to try them on because I like the shape of them. I'm willing to invest in a pair of sunglasses if I truly think I'm going to wear it a lot. All right, so this is the tortoise ones. These are thick sunglasses. Well, you know, of course, look badass in a sunglass at $65. They are pretty big. They're very comfortable. Lola. They're very comfortable on my nose, which I appreciate. Okay, let me try on the black ones. They also have like a gold detail right there, gold detail right here. Also comes with a glasses case and a cleaner. Black version is the exact same, except for they have the actual brand name on the edge there, LeSpecs, but otherwise same gold here and everything. Do you guys spend a lot of money on sunglasses? I will say these feel like sunglasses. They are not light. They hug your face. Trying to think if I could, I'll just see if it's on sale, but I'm not sure if I can completely justify that they're unique enough for me to spend that much money on it. Especially if, guys, I'm supposed to go to the beach, all this stuff's getting canceled. Okay, now this is another thing I picked. Now, I don't really buy a lot of Tory Burch. This is a Tory Burch bag. But I have been interested in these little like camera bag style handbags, and a lot of them are expensive, including this one. I think this one's like 160 something. So I am going to open up at least and try the handle on it because I want to see how long it would be, because finding crossbody bags for plus is not easy. Looks like the actual strap is yellow, bright yellow, and it is adjustable. So it has this here. Looks like they got another like 4 inches from what it already is set on. So let's just try it out and see how it looks. All right, this is without putting the extension on or extending it to its fullest capacity. It's pretty short on me, so let's try. Okay. I mean, I don't know how you guys carry your purse. I prefer my purse to be at least something I can do this to. So it's like a smidge shorter than I would want it to be. I'd really want it to be like down here. But I do like the size of it. So the question will be for me, do I want this one, or am I just gonna find like a brandless one that I also like? So we'll see. And I'm not sure that brown is like the absolute color I'd want. Maybe I'd go look and see if there's another color that I'd prefer more than this. They only had so many options whenever you pick stuff. But it is cute. Has 2 zippers, 2 pockets, pretty big pockets. Just so you know, like if you get Trunk Club and you get to the point where you can add items, it does tell you the price. You can decide, like you don't have to tempt yourself with expensive items. All right, the last thing she did was she sent shoes. She told me she's not gonna give up on me with the shoes. She's gonna keep on trying. So, you know, I appreciate her resilience. Again, at the time, I thought I was still gonna go to Atlanta and do the 5K, but that's been canceled. So this is for sneakers. They're by the brand VIONIC, which I've never tried before. They're the 10 wide Alma sock sneaker, $109. And I am nervous about sock sneakers. Like I went ahead and gave this a try. I thought it was a cute shoe. But sock sneakers reduce the ways you can get into a shoe. And if your foot doesn't fit, it really isn't going to fit with a sock sneaker. Oh, okay, so this looks a little bit more bright bluish online. I really like the color. So it's really pretty green. This is a wide, and it does appear to be wide. We'll see if the sock opening is big enough to get my foot in. But yeah, sock opening. This is the laces. It has a little speckled part on the bottom. Let's give this a go. I have been taking Lola on lots of walks, so I'm not against sneakers. These are expensive sneakers, so they really have to fit me well. Okay, so the shoes actually went on really easily. My big toe sticks up, but that's because I have my grandmother's toes and they stick up like that. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I totally was losing faith in the shoes, but these actually fit really well. Part of what makes them easy is, even though this part's like a sock, this part right here is super structured. So when you put your foot in there, your heel does hit this and easily move down because this isn't going anywhere. This is hard. It is not shrinking. And that's what a lot of times I was having issues with, is trying to get my foot in and this part just is nothing. You know, it's light fabric. So I actually might keep these. I like the color. They fit well. I walked around, it felt good. Danielle, you did good. You found a shoe. I'm so impressed. And yeah, super cute. Even the shoelaces have little polka dots on them. How sweet. What did you like most in this box? I know it didn't have a lot of like flashy clothes, so tell me what you thought, and let me know what you would have kept. I'll talk to you later. Bye.